Oh, this is looking beautiful, guys. Absolutely stunning. Alright. Let's see where we're starting. Set destination. Cluster seeds. Number of stars. 64. Resource multiplier. 1. Sandbox mode. Enemy forces. Dark fog settings. Sandbox mode. This game mode disregards restrictions, allows creativity to run wild. Yeah, I'll try that at some point in time. A more challenging mode. So you got some combat, clusters. I guess I'll Alpha Pegasus G-type star. Alright. Do you want frequent hints about what to do next in a game? Yeah, why not? And get some help.
The unknown, created in exploration.
Bam.
The seed evolves in iteration. From zero,
Holy shit.
transforming into infinity and beyond. It spreads and becomes the shadow of the galaxy.
Wow. Holy crap. This looks really intense.
As dark fog rises, the stars dim. You will embark on a new journey.
Arrive at target cluster.
Okay, it's looking good. Alpha Pegasus system. Damn.
Welcome to the real universe. Very soon, you'll find this place different from our homeland. But you should be able to adapt to the laws of physics here in no time. I'm your advisor. I will assist you in completing this mission.
This looks insane. Holy. We're going past the sun. I think we're going to set up on a planet. And one of the planets over there.
Everything here belongs to you. As a member of the Cosmo, a pioneer of the Dyson Sphere program, you will explore this cluster from ground zero. Make use of the resources available here to build a Dyson Sphere that supplies energy to the center brain to maintain homeland simulation.
Nice.
I've chosen a planet for the mission, and there are essential resources for the initial development.
Alpha
Now,
Pegasus, I'm
Please
guessing?
pilot the space capsule toward this planet.
Oh, I got to actually control my shit. Sweet. Alright, looks like we're coming home, guys. The Alpha Pegasus 2. Damn. Oh, this planet looks really good.
Unknown EM signals detected. Extracting feature variables. Comparing with database. Those are highly likely anomalous mechanical bodies from the Mechanic Energy Program. Engineers call them dark fog. Dark fog is extremely sensitive to EM signals under a regular pattern, so they may launch an assault on us.
What?
To stay low profile, we will land on the other side of this planet.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Space capsule will land on the target planet in 3, 2,
Oh, damn.
1.
It's looking really nice.
Landed.
Oh, there's my guy.
This is Icarus, a
Holy.
very powerful but lightweight industrial mecha. Use the direction keys, or click the right mouse button on the ground to move the mecha.
Oh, that's
In
cool.
this mission, You'll control your mecha to navigate the universe
Oh, that's awesome.
and create miracles.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
To collect resources like
Wow.
wood or gravel, click the right mouse button as well. In addition, you can hold shift and click the right mouse button on each of your targets to give a series of commands.
Oh yeah, cool.
Now please try to disassemble the space capsule.
Ah.
Click the right mouse button to proceed.
Okay, I gotta disassemble it. I gotta use the resources to it. That makes sense. Oh, damn, I'm actually impressed how this game looks. This looks really, really cute. Sweet. Okay, so we gotta disassemble this space thingy.
Some items are found after disassembling the space capsule. Click on the inventory button at the bottom right corner of the screen to open and check.
On the bottom right corner of the screen. Bottom right corner of the screen. Inventory. Inventory. Ah, inventory E. Okay. So we got some copper ore, hydrogen fuel rods, iron ingots, magnet, and a copper ingot. Okay, cool.
You can hold the middle mouse button to rotate the camera, or scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Oh yeah, that's sweet. That's awesome. I'm gonna start getting some supplies. What are my goals? Collect 50 log iron
Construction
ore,
menu is locked.
fill fuel
Complete
and
a technology research to unlock it. Click on the technology tree button at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the technology tree and start a research.
Okay, what are we researching? Construction menus locked. Start a research. Okay, so electromagnetism, I'm guessing, is going to be our first one. I'm guessing that's going to be the first thing. Activate data volume 1200 hashes. The poetic Maxwell's equation showcases to the world the relationship between electricity and magnetism based on a profound understanding of this knowledge. Efficient machines for acquiring, utilizing electricity energy have been created. Oh, what? I lack the research materials. I need a magnetic coil. Magnetic coil. Okay, can I produce it? There we go. I think that works. Oh wait, I need 10 of them. Ah, I need 10 to produce it. Okay, so... Ah! How am I supposed to produce it though? I need 9 more. I don't know if it'll be enough, if I even have enough resources though.
Research complete.
Yes. Research result. You have unlocked a new type of automatic mining machine. Performs automatic mining ore for you. Its capacity is limited. You might want to automatically deliver ores to the smelters. Oh boy, this looks complicated.
You've obtained a mining machine. It automatically collects ores for you. You can select it in the inventory or in the construction menu, collecting section, to start building it.
Upgrades. What are the upgrades? We got the cosmic exploration, reach, resource consumption, activate. One step further, planet view ore distribution on the planet, and then there's mecha cores. Unlocks improved mecha core, increase in Julia laser attack. Okay. I don't know. I'll just activate this cosmic exploration, I guess. Oh, that also requires research thingy. Okay. So we can't get that. Okay, so what actually I need to do? Build a mining machine. Build a mining machine, supply power to the mining machine, unlock automatic, basic assembly. Oh my god, this looks way too complex for me. This is insane. Oh my god. Okay, so build a mining machine. Okay. The more ore veins covered by a mining machine, the faster the extraction speed. Okay, ore veins. So I'm guessing I can do one here, I'm assuming.
Hold R to rotate the mining machine.
Ah.
The more veins it covers, the higher the output. To ignore grid snapping, hold Shift.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay, there we go. Build it like that.
Insufficient items.
What?
Click on the replicator button at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the replicator and manually replicate the required items.
I gotta replicate the items? What the hell is this? What do you mean the replicator? Okay. And manually replicate the required items. What? Okay, what are the required items that I have to replicate?
You have an unpowered production facility. To make it run normally, place it within the power grid coverage and make sure power is supplied.
Insufficient materials.
Ah, I can do stone brick, magnets. Oh my god. Oh my god, sorry guys. So I gotta supply power to it, wait. No power suspended. Wind turbine. Okay, cool. Can I build it anywhere, the wind turbine? Can I build it here?
A wind turbine.
Oh,
You've
there we
now
go.
built your first power grid. Some power facilities don't have a power supply.
Oh, that's easy. That's not as bad as I
So
thought.
you'll need to extend the power grid coverage with Tesla towers.
Okay, that makes sense. Tesla tower, that's cool. Okay, now the mining machine is producing me the ores and stuff like that. That's cool. I'm gonna take these trees down. This is 6 iron veins. I gotta get a transmission facility, particularly connection extend this power supply. Okay, that makes sense. I need a
Insufficient materials.
what? What do you mean? What materials does it need though? It needs 4, 2, 2, 4. Oh my god! It needs. I think it needs everything.
Insufficient materials.
No. Wait, what's this? Statistic power, milestone wind power. Okay, cool.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, but how do I get
Insufficient materials.
how am I supposed to get those materials? Replicators F.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, do I have enough materials now for it? Wait, 4 iron to...
Insufficient materials.
Oh wait, I still need more. Okay, how many do I have now? 10.
Insufficient materials.
2, 2, 2. 2. I've got 2 of those. Oh, I need the magnetic coils.
Insufficient materials.
Okay.
Insufficient materials.
Okay. I need more iron ore. Okay, so I just need to sit here and mine this, I guess. So two circuit trips, 2 of those other thingies, 2 of them. Okay.
Replication complete. Insufficient materials.
Wait, that doesn't make sense, but I have the materials. 4 chips, 2 thingies, and 2 of the other thingies.
Insufficient materials.
Double click to open replicator.
Insufficient materials.
Mining machine. Oh, I gotta produce the mining machine? Okay, and then position around here, I guess. Wait, that's just 5 times. Okay, 5 times. There we go. I like how it builds it straight away. That's really cool. Can I build another wind turbine?
Insufficient materials.
Yes, I can. Oh, okay. And then just builds, I think, the materials automatically. I'll build another wind turbine here. Although I feel like it's going to be in the way when I do the conveyor line thingy though. Wait, can I move it or copy and build, left mouse button, tip for keys? Okay, I guess I'll find out. That's fine. Okay, so that's building that. Unlock automatic metallurgy. Smelt ores using the arc smelter. Okay, automatic metallurgy. How the hell does that work? How am I supposed to know the automatic metallurgy thingy? I think it's through technologies. Oh, automatic metallurgy. Okay, there we go. Research consumption, queuing. Okay, there we go. Automatic metallurgy, manual research. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, these need to be built. So I need to build... I need to build these things and the... Okay, that builds me 9 of them. And then I need to build the circuits. There we go, magnetic coils.
Replication complete.
And then how many coils I need? I need 8.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, I need iron ingots. Collected from ore veins. I thought it automatically collects me the... Wait. Mining machine 50. Oh, okay. So I have to collect it. I think it's only 50 that allows me, I think. Okay, that kind of makes sense. God, this planet looks so beautiful. Okay, produce 10 of them. So that's how that works.
Replication complete.
And then, okay, 10 of them. I've got... Produce some more of the iron ingots. And then we need the circuit board.
Replication complete.
There we go. I think that should work.
Replication complete.
Replication complete. There we go. And that's researching my technology. Okay.
Research complete.
Yes, automatic metallurgy. You have unlocked arc smelter. Build arc smelters to automatically produce basic materials such as iron ingot and the copper ingot. To achieve full automation on sorter needs to automatically deliver ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter. Okay, I guess that makes sense. So smelt ores using the arc smelter. Let's see, the arc smelter. So I'm guessing we're going to need 2 of those suckers.
Built an arc smelter, which automatically produces basic materials such as iron ingots and copper ingots.
Okay.
However, to automatically feed in raw materials and feed out products, sorters and conveyor belts are required.
Yes. We need a conveyor belt system. Where's the conveyor belt system? How do I build a conveyor belt system? Production. Collecting. Power. Okay, it doesn't seem to be... Okay, smelt ores using the thing. Select a recipe. So in this one, I'll do the iron ingot. The iron ingot, we put in the...
Once a recipe is assigned, use less than key to copy the current recipe, and greater than key to paste the recipe to the next building.
The less than key and the greater than key? Okay, I guess that makes sense. And here we'll do the copper ingot. And take that. And I'm guessing with this one, I just chuck in the copper ore, I'm assuming. Oh, it's also 50 at a time. Okay. There we go. Yes. We're producing. Awesome. Unlock the basic assembly. Produce an item using the assembly machine. Unlock basic logistics system. And then we need the conveyor belt system. So basic logistics. Where's my technology tree? Basic assembling. What's this? Upgrades. So, basic assembling. Wait, it says we need. Yeah, we need basic assembling. Okay, we need to activate the basic assembling. We need 10 of these. So. 10 of those, and then 10 of the other one. Where's the other one? Where's the circle board? There we go. Fast transfer item, control. Okay. Wait, this is the copper one. Okay, I need to chuck in that. Okay, I think I got it. I think I'm starting to get it now. So at the beginning it's not automated, and then you have to start automating the lines.
Complete.
Assembling machine, processing these copper ores, other raw materials into advanced products. Okay, that makes sense. Producing any items using the assembler machine. So that's what we gotta do. We gotta get an assembler machine. Assembling machine. Okay. Please select a recipe. Equals 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. And then gear is that one. Okay, we'll just do circuit boards with this one.
Insufficient materials.
Insufficient materials. Oh wait, can I move that? No, no, no. I think it's... Okay, 46, 50. Okay, that makes sense. This is my iron, so I can only do 50 at a time for some reason. Okay, and then this one's gonna need... There we go, and it's producing. Okay, I need...
Insufficient materials.
Not enough items.
Insufficient materials.
I need another 2 assemblers actually.
Replication complete.
Okay, lovely. I'm gonna need 3 of them. Oh, we're gonna need power supply to them too.
Replication complete.
Okay, do we have enough power? Tesla tower, wind turbine.
Insufficient materials.
Rally. Okay, it needs 10 springs. Damn it, all these items. Okay, there we go. Wind turbine. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, that planet. That looks so good. Wow. Okay, that looks beautiful. Alright, so we got 3. That's producing circuits. This will be producing the magnetic coils, and this one here is going to be producing gears. Oops. There we go. Okay. So this is just the manual side of things. take 20 of that. This one needs the... It needs the rings. Rings. We don't have any rings. I only have those. I think the rings I'm gonna have to build separately for some reason. So, fabricator, items. The magnet we're gonna have to produce ourselves. There we go. 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and we've got our fabricators producing stuff, which is good. And then we need to unlock the basic logistics system. Okay, we got 20 there. We'll continuously produce that. We got 10 of those little puppies there. Beautiful. Alright. Okay, sweet.
Replication complete.
Fuel is required for mecha's every activity.
Yes.
When energy is exhausted, its action will be restricted. You can click on the mecha panel button at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the mecha panel and replenish the fuel chamber.
Okay. So mecha panel, and then we gotta replenish the fuel thingy. Okay, how does this work? Wait, so we go lack of fuel core energy. How do I replenish it though? I don't understand. Fuel chamber. Ah. Oh, it just automatically replenishes it. Okay. Using wood, hydrogen fuel rods, plant fuel. Okay, that makes sense. Easy. Okay, let's take that there. Take that one. Copper. This will be a lot easier once we have the logistics system, but right now it's a little bit tough. Okay, so have that there. How we're doing with this? 19, 20.
Your vein is almost depleted. Ore reserves in each vein is limited. Once exhausted, the supply of raw ores can no longer be guaranteed.
Really?
Which will adversely impact production.
But it's saying
Exploit new
51,000.
veins for replacement. Additionally, upgrade vein utilization to reduce ore loss during mining operation.
How is it almost a pity when it's saying it's got 43,000, other one's 51,000? I think it's got plenty in here. Okay, let's get some more plant fuel. Oh, cool, I can jump. Oh my god, I didn't realize I could jump. Oh, that's cool. Okay, we'll do a little clearing out here. try and get some room. So what do we need? We need... Don't underestimate concerns of 100 plant fuel. Okay, cool. How about a technology trade? Because we need to do the... we need to unlock basic logistics system. So where's the basic logistics system? Semiconductor, thermal power, fluids, engine, weapon system. Oh my god, this tech tree. Where is it? Oh, basic logistics system. There we go. We should have enough to upgrade it. Okay.
Research complete.
Yes. You have unlocked the conveyor belt system sorter. Build the 2 basic facilities for automated logistics to enable delivery orders through mining machines, smelters, and depots.
You've obtained sorter and conveyor belt. Full automation is now possible.
Yes.
Use a conveyor belt to transport ores collected in the mining machine. The sorter will transport ores onto the conveyor belt into the arc smelter and will smelt them automatically.
Okay, awesome. So let me see. You can build conveyor belt and sorters. Okay. So assembly machine, the arc smelter, storage, logistics, conveyor belt, and then a sorter. You can transport cargo into a facility via conveyor belts or between facilities. Filters can be configured to filter the cargo. Okay, cool. Very nice. I'm gonna need a conveyor belt from
When building
there.
a conveyor belt, confirm its starting point and end point. Use up arrow to raise the conveyor belt 1 level. Use down arrow to lower the conveyor belt 1 level if it has been raised. Press keypad 0 to reset the conveyor belt to ground level. To avoid the conveyor belt snapping to a building, try holding shift.
Oh, it collides with another object. Okay, that's what I thought. So I need to go into deconstruction mode. How do I deconstruct stuff? Where's deconstruction mode? Because that's a replicator mode. How do I deconstruct? Dismantle facilities. There we go. Okay, they should have power now. This makes no sense. I thought it would have power.
You've built your first power transmission facility, a Tesla tower. It can help you transmit power wirelessly over a short range and extend the power grid coverage. Click on it to view more details.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, let me produce one then. Thank you. is gonna be a logistic nightmare, I feels like. Okay, so how does this work? Looks like it's got one import. I thought it would have 4 imports in there. This doesn't make any sense. How do I... X for dismantling? Okay, so X for dismantling. And then... build my production line, my arc smelter. I thought it would go inside it automatically.
The sorter is a connector that moves items between facilities. Simply bridge from a supplier facility to a receiver facility. Then the sorter will automatically transport the items.
Wait, I'm so confused. Wait, it's... You can transport cargo into a facility via conveyor belts or between facilities. Facilities can be configured. Okay, so is that what the sorter does? Oh man, I'm so confused. Because that's got to go directly to, I think, to here. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. Oh, this is so confusing.
Wrong connection type. Use a sorter. There are 2 types of facility ports. Connection ports and bridge ports.
This is so confusing.
Connection ports are only compatible with conveyor belts, while bridge ports are only compatible with sorters. If a conveyor belt can't connect to a facility, try a sorter.
Oh. Oh, it's got to connect to it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, wait, that's producing the copper ingot. Wait, I think it's working. Oh my god, it's actually working. Oh my god, it's actually working. Oh my god. Okay, so it just works a little bit differently, that's it. to like satisfactory and stuff like that. Okay, so that works there. No, wait, that's going the other way. No, how do I do it the other way though? Oh my god, I'm so confused. I'll be able to figure it out. Has to be there. Okay, how does the reverse path? Why is it going the reverse path? Wait, the other one's working, but this is not working. This is so confusing. Wait, oh my god, dude, I am literally struggling on here, guys. Why is this so confusing? Oh my god. It's a mining machine, but a production machine is... Okay, so that's a smelting machine.
Insufficient materials.
No, I don't want another one. I just want the connection. Oh, wait. Now it's going to it. Select recipe. I think it's working now. Okay, now it's working, now it's working, now it's working. Oh my god, this is insane. How do I make the connection port? How do I make it shorter, the connection port? Oh, there we go. That's faster. That's a lot better. Bang. That's going in super quick now. Okay. So we got that set up. And now we just need the lines coming in here. Okay, so what do we need here? We've got... Okay, we've got 2 of the lines that need to come into this one. We got this one with the rings. We got this one. Okay, that's really easy. That just needs that. So I need a...
materials.
I'm just gonna need more of these. I'm gonna need heaps of conveyor lines, so I might as well start building them now. Oh wait, that doesn't connect to it for some reason though. Why?
Replication complete.
Okay, wait. Get rid of these. Go for the logistics path. To there. Wait, can I build it closer up to it, or? There we go, and then where's my... Oh my god, the system's so weird. Okay, there we go, we've got a port there. So now that's stacking up there. We also need... Oh my god, this is going to be spaghetti. This is not good. Okay, so... Let me think about what I need to do. Okay, I'm going to flip these around and dismantle them. And then put my assemblers... here and here. Okay, I just realized I didn't need to disassemble them. That was stupid. Anyway, oops, I did it again. Okay, so what I'm thinking is deselect that. I'll change this recipe to more... So that's going to be raw parts for the cogs, so the gears. This one's going to be... This one's going to need the circuit board. And then this one's going to need the magnetic coil. So... So that's going to need multiple inputs. That's going to need... That's going to need one input there. Okay, now I'm confused. Because it's going to need two inputs. But why isn't it inputting my...
Insufficient materials.
What do you mean?
Insufficient materials.
What do you mean insufficient materials? Let's create 10 of them, or 20 of them. Okay, so that's gonna go into here. Huh? I'm confused. No power? Is that what it's saying? It needs power?
Replication complete.
Maybe it needs more power. Okay, that's driving into that. There's one driving into that, and then we need one conveyor system basically popping off into this one here, which I think I can do like that. There we go. Like that. And then that's giving materials into that, which is assembling my circuit boards. God, this is quite complicated though. Okay, that's setting up that, and then this one needs my also iron ingot thingy, so there we go, put that there. There we go, that's transporting to that. And we're gonna have to make the magnets separately for some reason. I think the magnets are made separately, but I'm not too sure. Oh no, wait. They can be smelted through... Okay, so if that's the case, I'll take that there. I will put another smelter here. And I don't think I can dispatch it through the line though. That's the only downside is... Oh no, it won't allow me to do it. No! I can't do a splitter there. Oh no! Damn it. No! Why wouldn't it just join up to the thing? That's weird. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay, so that's connecting to these two. The circuit board we have, the assembling machine we have. So that's going beautifully there, but the problem is we can't get a splitter in to get... Because what we want is the magnetic rings, which means we're going to have to find a separate deposit for that. Total power consumption, so is 1 gigajoules. Oh wow. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna need to find some more iron deposit thingies. I think there's a cluster here that I can find. Actually, what I'll do is I'll disassemble that. I need to get things set up. Can't believe that's the only deposit. Oh wait, I just had a thought. Because that's got 42,000 still. What is it? I wonder if it's possible if I can just put in
Insufficient materials.
another mining thing. Let me produce like 5 of them. So my thinking is, why not just put in
Replication complete.
like this? But I gotta take these out here. So that way I'll have 2 miners taking the same ore. And it's gonna need its own separate...
Insufficient materials.
Really? And then, yeah, I'll put in a solar generator wind turbine thing here. It's going to be a really messy kind of spaghetti network kind of thing, but... So that will go there. And then I'll have my... logistics network thingy come here.
Replication complete.
What do I need my smelter is what I need.
Insufficient materials. Replication complete.
Actually, I don't know if that'll be a good position to put it there. It might be fine, actually. I'm just trying to think. That will go there. The recipe is going to be the magnets. Which for some reason... Oh, okay, wait, yeah, we need the connector. And then we've got ourselves a little thingy there, and that way we'll chuck this one out. Because that's got to connect to this, which is the other line. And I can make it, I think... something like that for now. I don't know if it'll connect to it though. Yeah, that connects beautifully to it. Okay. So it's going to go over the top of this one, and then it's going to feed into that assembler here.
Now you can click the planet thumbnail button at the bottom left corner of the screen, or press M to enter planet view.
Bottom left. What? You can click the planet thumbnail, press M planet view, planet thumbnail.
In the planet view,
That's so cool.
you can hold the middle mouse button to rotate the
Oh
camera.
my god.
Hold the right mouse button to roll the camera. Press N to align the camera to the North Pole.
Oh, they're so cool.
In the planet view, scrolling the mouse wheel also enters the star map.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it's the star map. Oh my god, that is awesome. They're so cool. There's the sun, Alpha Pegasi. They're so cool. It's so vast. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, is that the enemy base? Must be the North and South Pole, the blue, I'm assuming. Okay, so... Wait, planet view, there we go. Okay, so that connects up to that. Do I have more...
Insufficient materials.
More conveyors? Get some more conveyors going. And then we'll feed our line. Slope 2 sleep to unlock supermagnetic
Application complete.
field. Need to unlock supermagnetic field generator. Okay, can I unlock the supermagnetic field generator thing? Okay, that's a splitter. Oh, the supermagnetic field generator is here, slow from building on a conveyor belt system. Okay, so I need to unlock this. Electromagnetic matrix unlocks electric motor, basic power motor that can improve the mechanical performance. Electromagnetic matrix. Electromagnetic. Well, it wants me to upload that. Okay. View all distribution to the planet. Requires the technology electromagnetic matrix. Damn it. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I won't be able to do that, and that's fine. Instead, for now, I'll just have it basic. I'll go around. So I'll just have it going like that, and then splitting into there. There we go, that should work, I think. There we go. The only downside is if I need to create another thing for this one. There we go, it's complete. Okay, definitely not the most efficient line, or definitely not the best looking, but still. It'll have to do for now until I get things sorted out. Uh-oh, the Dark Fog planetary base is going to become a threat soon. Okay, I need the technology for the electromagnetic stuff. So, technology... Where's my electromagnetic matrix? There we go. Activate that. There we go. Produce that. And then it unlocks a matrix lab. And
Replication
then...
complete.
Yeah. Okay, sweet. Collect these resources.
Research complete.
You have unlocked the matrix lab, also called the center brain. Center brain, also called the center brain connector, can be used to unlock new technologies, uploading matrices to it. Okay, so that's that done. Produce an electromagnetic matrix using the matrix lab. You can build matrix lab. Matrix produces matrices. Cannot be used to research one single technology at a time. Okay, matrix lab. The type of connector for a center brain which can either produce matrices or conduct research. The more matrix labs, the faster the production and research is. Okay, interesting. I guess I'll place maybe down here.
A matrix lab. A facility to produce matrices. It can also be used to research technologies that are unlocked with matrices. Matrices are the source codes to maintain the center brain's simulation of a homeland. You can upload as many matrices to the center brain to run its simulation and unlock more technologies in the real world.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, power got it connecting. Select mode research, matrix per matrices. Okay, so matrix, research. No matrix connected. Produce. Matrix lab. So we need the magnetic coil and we need a circuit board to produce the matrices. Okay, that's gonna be spaghetti on spaghetti. That's not gonna be good. Oh wait, it's the wrong one. 30. Oh. Okay, that's how it works. You produce the first measurement matrix. This is one of the 5 source codes that are contained in the central brain simulation. A combination of electricity and magnetism. It perfectly interprets Maxwell's equations. Dude, why is it so complicated? Okay, I'm gonna need like a storage system of some kind. Where's the storage? Deeper. Storage space for products, although its capacity is limited to 30 slots. 30 slots? Dude.
Insufficient materials.
Oh, and that's through the rocks. Okay. So you do it through the Rockies. Is there any more rocks around? No. Oh wait, there is a whole bunch of that actually. And there. Okay, that's alright. So how do these thingies work, I wonder?
Replication complete.
You've built a depot for storing items.
Yes, I did.
You can manually store items or use a sorter to automatically access items. If there isn't enough ground space, make more efficient use of your space by stacking matrix slabs, depots, storage tanks, and splitters.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense to me. Okay, so okay, that's the milestone. So how does this work then? I've got all my thingies being stored in there, which is going to be what, 30 limit for automation input. So that's going to store it in there. And then I grab my matrix lab and produce the matrices. Oh, okay, it's 100 at a time. Oh, it automatically researches it? Oh, nice. Does that mean I need a second lab?
Insufficient materials.
Do I need a second lab to produce it? I can fly.
Replication complete.
Oh wait, it flies over water. Okay, that's really cool. So I can select a mode to research. No research being conducted. Okay, so I need to research the open tech tree upgrade to cosmic exploration. Cosmic exploration. Okay, cosmic exploration. So this one here. Awesome. And that requires 10. Oh, that is so freaking cool. So we'll produce the... Where's my circuit boards? Okay, they're going crazy. I'll fill up my inventory with these items. There we go.
Upgrade complete.
Cosmic exploration and research. View ore distribution on the planet. You can now view ore distribution of ore reserves on the planet. All ores on this planet can be located more easily now. Okay, that's good. So how does that work though?
You've unlocked universe exploration. Now you can click the detailed display button at the bottom right corner of the screen to enable real-time vein distribution.
Oh dude, that is so cool. Real-time distribution. So oh, it offers a more detailed display. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, I understand. Oh, there's the vein distribution. 23 core reserves, 900,000. Okay, so it's just more detail, essentially. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna build a little storage area here. Okay, that should be constantly giving me more, I think. No, wait, it's just one particular, because it doesn't have a sorter or a stacker to it. Damn it, I thought that would work for some reason. Okay, wait, it does work. There we go. So that's depleting there. Okay, hopefully that works. Although it doesn't seem to be going in. For some reason. That's weird. It's showing that it's transporting to it, but it's not for some reason. Very weird. Okay. Okay, hopefully that works. I think I need a technology to research though. Upgrade Icarus, obtain flight mode. Upgrade Icarus? How does that work? How am I supposed to upgrade Icarus though? Upgrade Icarus, obtain flight mode. What? How does that work? Upgrade Icarus and obtain flight mode. View all reserves of the planetary system, level 2. View all reserves in this planetary system. Oh, okay, that's just the planetary system. We don't need that. Mecha core. Mecha durability plus 3. Mecha laser weapon range. Improves the mecha core, increases your durability. Okay, I'm guessing this is the Icarus upgrade. I think. I guess we'll find out.
Dark fog clusters launching an assault.
They're launching an assault. Oh my god, no!
Warning,
Insufficient
a
materials.
dark fog planetary base has launched an attack. Icarus is equipped with laser weapon module, which can automatically strike enemies within its range. Faster mecha power generation means a faster rate of fire. Fill the chamber with fuels.
Insufficient
Get ready
materials.
to engage.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Laser fill the chamber with fuel.
Replication complete.
Okay, I think he's got fuel. I'm pretty sure he does.
Upgrade complete.
Mecha core level 1. There we go. Okay, he's upgraded now. Okay, they're coming. Oh my god. I think it automatically targets them. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're coming. They're coming. He's attacking my thing. I can't believe they're trying to assault me. I think that's it. I think we survived.
Laser weapon module consumes mecha's core energy for charging. More advanced fuel can increase the fuel chamber's power and the rate of fire of laser weapon module.
Okay, that makes sense. It needs a fuel generator. Damn it.
Insufficient materials.
Really?
Replication complete.
Damn it, not enough power, really? I don't think that's coming into the line though, that's the only downside. It's alright, I shall collect. Okay, that's my research done. Place that into there. For some reason, it's not doing the conversions into it for some reason. I don't know why though. I don't get it. Okay, unlock the weapon system. Okay, we need to unlock a weapon system. How do we do that? Mecha core, mechanical frame, inventory, mass construction, drone engine, energy shielding. Okay, where's the weapon system? Oh wait, weapon system. Unlock weapon system. Gauss turret. Magnum ammo box. Okay, let's upgrade that. Add ammo to mecha, produce a magnum ammo box. Produce a ghost turret. Okay, we need ammunition. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe it's got to use it up first. Maybe they don't supply it? Wait, it's going in there. It should supply it. Maybe it supplies it one by one once it's run out. It's the only thing I can think of. I guess we'll find out. How much we got here? 63. I need more energy for my mecha suit. Okay, there we go.
Research complete.
Weapon system, there we go. You have unlocked the weapon system, you can defend your base against raids. Oh my god, there's raiding. Dude.
You've unlocked the weapon system. Icarus can now use ammo. Press C to open the mecha panel. Load the magazine and activate it. Use ammo to protect both yourself and the base when dark fog strikes.
Okay, that makes sense, but how do I craft ammo? Defense. Ghost turret. Add ammo to the mecha. Wait, how do I add ammo to the mecha though? Ah, there we go. Produce magnum ammo box. Okay, how do I produce a... How do I produce a magnum ammo box though? How does that work? Produce a magnum ammo box. Okay, produce a magnum ammo box. Dude, how do you produce a magnum ammo box? Dude, how the frick does that work? A magnum ammo box. Oh wait, looks like it's working. Oh my god, is that... Okay, I think that's actually working, which is good. Produce a magnum ammo box. Oh wait, it's going to be part of the fabricating. A magnum ammo box. Okay, there we go, I found it. Okay, I found it, and then produce a ghost turret. Okay.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, now we're rocking. Now we're doing it.
Replication complete.
Build a ghost turret and insert ammo. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, I understand now. Okay, probably build one central. Like that.
You've built a Gauss turret. This is a defense facility. It consumes ammo and energy to strike enemies within its range. You can either directly build Gauss turrets on conveyor belts that are built on the ground, or use conveyor belts to string Gauss turrets together.
Turret is short of ammo. Most turrets need ammo to fire. Click on a turret to open its panel and replenish ammo manually. Of course, it'd be better to constantly supply ammo with conveyor belts.
Okay, that makes sense.
All turrets have a powerful ability, supernova. Turrets will accumulate a large amount of energy for a short time once supernova has been enabled. After accumulating, turrets will enter burst mode and fire extremely quickly for several seconds. Note, supernova costs a massive amount of power. It can't be used if power supply is too low.
Okay, interesting.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, I'll put 25 here and then I'll put 25 in the other one. Probably building way too much of this stuff, but that's fine. Okay, upgrade Icarus and obtain flight mode. Let me just manually save it too. So that's done there, then how's this gonna work? Wait, no. There we go. Okay, upgrade Icarus and obtain flight mode. Obtain flight mode. Upgrade Icarus. Upgrade Icarus. I'm guessing it's through here. Mechanical flame, communication, mass construction, energy circuit, drone, drive engine. How do I get flight mode though? Unlocks mecha flight. Okay, I'm assuming it's this one here.
Replication complete.
Lack of research materials. Wait, what do I need? I need coal and I need engine. Ah, okay. Alright, we'll get rid of that then. That's gonna take drone speed. That's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay, we'll do the oil refining. Unlock steel smelting. Unlock steel smelting. Okay. Can build wind turbine on water, can build hollow beacon on water. Okay, that's 120. 120. We only got 86 though. I don't think I can build over water. Oh no, I can. I can build it over water. There we go, that's easier. That way you can just transfer in there. You can transfer whatever it makes. 113, there we go. That's upgrading my smelting capacity. This is definitely going to be such a messy line. Oh my god. Uh, 200 of that one, and then what else does it need? It needs... Oh, it needs the other little one. It needs that one. There we go. $200, 144. I'll keep some for myself too. Probably need it. Plenty of ammunition. Oh, mecha robot. Ba, 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 ba. So cool. What? No power? Isn't that a power supply thingy right, like literally like right here? I don't understand. Okay, that's getting fed, which is good. Be able to upgrade that soon. Okay, so far things are looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to definitely figure out how to deal with this line here.
Research complete.
Yay! Wind turbines and a hollow beacon on water with superior mechanical properties. Cool. Unlock plasma extraction refinery. Plasma extraction, what the hell? Store any fluid in a storage tank. Plasma extraction refinery, what the hell is that? Plasma extraction refinery, what? Unlock a plasma extraction refinery. Plasma can build hollow beacon on water. Plasma extraction refinery. What the hell is that? Fluid. Plasma extraction. How do I do? Unlocks storage tank, water pump, plasma extract refining. Oh wait, unlocks plasma extract refinery. Store any fluid in the storage blocks. Okay, so this is storage fluid. High efficiency unlocks plasma exciter. Wireless power turbine. Prism. Oh my god, this is so complicated. Oil extractor, oil refinery, plasma extraction, hollow beacon. Oh my god, there's too many upgrades. So if I want to get... Okay, there's that one there. What's this one? Metal core 2. I need energy matrix red. Mechanical frame. What do I need for that? Electric motors. So resetting some printers, electric motors. Inventory, and I need steel. Electric motors. Dude. Electric motors, glass. Imprisonment lenses, stone brick bridge foundation facility, smelting facility, replicator. Okay, that's insane. So that's producing me right now that. I wonder if I can do the coal veins actually. Oops. So these I can build on water now. I need to supply these with power. Okay, so they're built there. They've got the power, they're supplying that. They're producing coal. My production.
Insufficient materials.
Really?
Insufficient materials.
Let's build some of that. Build another 5 of these puppies too. We've got coal, we've got stone veins up there, copper veins up there. copper vein. We've got one more copper vein up there, which I can probably exploit, which I actually will need to. I need to clear this. Okay, so what can I build? Do I have to smelt these, I wonder?
Replication complete.
Yeah, this is definitely going to be quite an interesting process.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, let's build some more of these. I need to make some room here. Have access to the copper vein ore thing. It's looking very, very nice. Damn, it looks good. Ba, 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 ba. Grab that, a couple more plants, create a nice little pathway here. We're gonna need access to that. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look here what we got. Maybe something like that.
Replication complete.
Replication complete. Let's see, 50. No connection. Why is there no connection? No connection ports. Why? Oh, that's right, because they feed directly into it. I'm just an idiot. Okay, that makes sense. Oops. Oh my god, it's still not working. Oops, I got rid of the sunblock. Sorry, I got rid of the mining thingy. Come on. There we go. I wonder what happened to the power. I had the power hooked up there. Okay, that should be connecting to it, except this connector's going the other way. There we go. Okay, that's better. Can I build anything from it? No. Glass. Glass requires stone. Steel.
Mineral depleted.
Mineral field depleted. Really? I depleted a vein? No. Okay, they're going quite quickly actually. They're depleting very, very quickly. Okay, maybe because I haven't unlocked it yet. That's the only thing I can think of, because I haven't unlocked the coal yet. Well, that was kind of pointless. Okay, so plasma extraction. Mecha panel, early stage, wooden plant fuels, construction drones. Apart from the fuel chamber, mecha panel has more choices you can use. Real-time development mecha various parameters to flexibly control your construction plans. Weapon system, combat drones. Okay, cool, yes.
If you need help, press G to open the guidebook for detailed instructions.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. The background. In the future, humanity advances into a highly evolved civilization. The powerful technologies bring about rapid development. Human beings have used virtual reality to iterate through space and time, creating a virtual universe much larger than the real world. Uploading all human consciousness into it. Oh, that is so cool. The operation of virtual universes requires immense computing capabilities. To achieve this, humans have invented a supercomputer that surrounds the sun and name it Centerbrain, hoping to use its powerful computing capabilities to further expand the virtual homeland. As the number of consciousnesses continue to grow, Centerbrain's computing power will soon reach its limit. After all, more consciousness means more energy supply. For this reason, the Cosmo launched a project with the code name Dyson Sphere program, assigning engineers to the real world to build Dyson spheres that can supply continuous, stable energy for Centerbrain. As a member of the Cosmo and a pioneer of the Dyson Sphere program, you will use terminal-controlled mech to embark on an unknown journey. Starting from scratch, you'll collect resources, design your production lines, and finally achieve full automation. You'll establish a giant intergalactic industrial empire from scratch and carve out your own path to a miracle of the universe, the Dyson Sphere. Builder of the great civilization, you are certain to encounter unforeseen challenges that may take you by surprise, for the vast expanse of space is rife with unexpected, and anything can come to pass. With your boundless creativity and vivid imagination, the attainment of this magnificent objective is well within your reach, and the vast expanse of the planetary system shall be transformed into a veritable bedrock of human civilization, all by virtue of your strategic plans. That is really cool. We're all trapped into consciousness in the virtual plane kind of thing. It's like super cool. Like, I can imagine like humanity kind of doing that in the future. We're just wearing like the VR things, we're operating these mechs or whatever, android bodies or whatever, and just venturing out into space and stuff. It's so freaking cool. Alright, I've got that set up here. This will be for my later... Gonna fade into it eventually, so I got that set up for later. How's the hive looking? I need to set up a secondary collection thingy here. We've got plenty materials. What are you talking about? Plenty.
Insufficient materials.
Go one on both sides.
Replication complete.
We'll do a power generator here, I think. I mean, I can do it literally on the water. Shouldn't be a problem. It's fine. Should be fine.
Insufficient materials.
What else I'm gonna need? I'm gonna need some smelters. That's what I'm gonna need.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, we've got to replicate some items beforehand. Get the power going. Okay, Tesla towers. And then
Replication complete.
let's see if we can build over the water. There we go. Oops. Like there will do, like that. No. Oh no, wait. That's working. That's working. Okay. I was worried for a second. Okay, there we go. A recipe. I think we will have a recipe. We're gonna get the copper ingots going. Copper ingots. Might get another. Might get an assembler in here. Create a little bit more room. Okay, that's plenty. Let's connect up the pathways. Let's see what recipe we should do. Oh, a magnum ammo box. Yes, I think we should do that. That'll be really good to have. Build a storage facility out here, I think. Maybe I can't do it. And go into deconstruct. No! I hate how it doesn't connect. I don't know why it doesn't connect up to it. So weird. No! Ah! Dude, that's so fucking. That's so frustrating. What? No power. How's it there's no power? Should be able to go directly to here. Like this. And then that infeeds that. What's going on with this? Ah. There we go, there's the production line moving. So I'm gonna need plenty of ammo. So that's producing that, and then what? We need another assembler, I think, for... Actually, it'd be good to have a defense grid here. Just in case. I don't have anything on me of ammo. I need another assembler to come out this way. Storage, production. Okay, maybe build it out this way. Have that connecting to here. Wait, I need to build more.
Insufficient materials.
Insufficient materials. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. We need more ores thingies. No, great, it's not enough. Oh, that's a problem. I'm gonna need more iron ore. Coal veins, 10 stone, coal, crude oil, steep. How so I don't have more? Oh wait, there's an iron ore vein up here. Okay, I'm gonna have to make it up there then. Bum.
Insufficient materials.
Okay, make some more inroads. And then this will have probably some more ammunition, I think, hopefully. That'll be smart. Can I build more storage facilities? Oh, I still got 3 storage facilities. Okay, there we go. I mean, why not? I'm gonna need a whole bunch of ammunition, might as well. I think it's not enough power generations going on. Damn, that sucks.
Replication complete.
That could be a problem. Just trying to think here. I'm gonna need more iron. I only got 36,000. Oh, I'm starting to. Starting to run low. Yep, that's it. That's my capacity. So that's producing 6. Why isn't it producing though, is the question. Why has this changed? This is a problem. Can I take stuff off the line though? Control left mouse button. There we go. Damn it. This one's going AY now. It's a sorter mixer. Oh man, this is a mess. So basically it wasn't getting in enough items. Oh, what a nightmare. Okay, should be It should now be operational. Plasma extraction refinery. Unlock plasma extraction refinery. Like I'm guessing that's part of the technologies. Plasma extraction. A splitter. Wait, is that what it unlocks as a splitter? No, wait, it's... Yeah, a splitter, a sorter, and then traffic monitor. Okay, that's cool. So it says we need plasma extraction refinery. Plasma extraction refinery, man. What the hell? Thermal power plant. Plasma extraction refinery. Okay, which is this. But to get to this, we need high efficiency plasma control. I'm gonna need both of these actually. Okay, let's get the high efficiency plasma control. Plasma exciter. Remote power transmission so to control electricity from power grid and charge the motor. Okay, let's get that researching. Let's get the fluid thing to put that in queue. And then, oh, there's a stone vein reservoir. Oh wait, we've got a whole iron depot here. That's perfect. Okay, how much is my inventory? Oh, my inventory is really full. I'm gonna need to store them. I'm gonna need to create a little storage thing for it. Maybe some cog wheels. There we go. Okay, that's not too bad. Still leaves me with plenty. Okay, that'll do. Then I'll head down to the... He's flying across the water. Ah. I love how this game actually looks. I have to admit. It looks really cool. Okay, that's fine. So this is the stone, which we need to set up, but we need to set up the iron. So I need multiple things set up here. My city's in the background. Looks like the dark fog planetary base isn't too much of a threat, which is good. I'm gonna create some space out here. I really want that stone to set up too. It's two things I really want.
Research complete.
Yay! High efficiency plasma control. The wireless power transmitter returns electricity remotely and charges the mecha. Okay, that's awesome. You can charge it remotely. Just want these.
Abnormal dark fog signals detected.
Uh-oh.
A significant statistical correlation exists between the density of these signals and our power consumption.
What?
On this planet, dark fog is monitoring our energy fluctuations.
Of course
to
they
determine
are.
how much threat we pose to them.
Of course they are.
When this threat peaks, they may launch an attack.
Oh my god, they're gonna look
The upper left corner of the screen shows the cumulative threat to each hive.
Oh my god. Where are they located anyway? I remember seeing them. Anyway, let me build out my... Let me build up my mining machine. I can't build it on this side. I can build 6. Wait, how much is it again? 2... 7, there we go. Wind turbine, yeah. And what's that other one? A wireless power, remote power transmission filter. It can draw electricity from the power grid and charge the back up. Okay, that's better. Useful.
Research complete.
That's awesome. What do we got? Deliver fluids to conveyor belts and store excess fluids in large capacity. Oh my god.
Insufficient materials.
We're gonna need a deeper and a storage tank. We're gonna need a
Insufficient materials. Insufficient materials.
Okay, I'm gonna need to. I'm gonna need to craft my own.
Insufficient materials.
I'll produce a stack of 5. Okay, well, that can go
Replication complete.
here. Okay, and then well, Tesla tower, I think here.
Insufficient materials.
How much is it? 2 and 1. Produce a Tesla tower. Okay, there we go. That's a Tesla tower.
Replication complete.
Done. Then we start smelting. I think we'll just do the iron ingot, I think. Oh wait, we need steel. We need to do steel. So I'll do steel. Maybe a magnet? Let me do the symbol of production. There we go. What shall we produce as a recipe wise? What are these taking? They're taking glass. I think glass is from the stone. Plasma oxider. Yeah. Buildings. I can produce buildings. How come the arc smelter does not work though? Requires 3. Oh, it's more advanced. Okay, that makes sense. So it requires 3 of them? So it requires 3, really? That's interesting. Three of them. Wait, so 1, 2. Then I think another. I think that's how it works. They're going to be funneled then into the conveyor system. So that means So it requires 3 smelting machines though, that's the only downside. Oh no way. Plasma extraction and refining. I need to head back to my other base to see what's going on. Actually, I need to set up the stone. Windy turbines. Let's create... Oh, and then that creates glass. Okay, we'll create some stone brick on that side. Probably just chuck it into a depot, I think. Can just do pure stone, and then with this little puppy here we'll get to produce stone and then glass. Or can she produce glass? No, she can produce glass straight out. Okay, that's good. So that's from glass as the prism. And then this one is prism and magnets to produce plasma generated by high power side. It can be used to extract refined crude oil or create wireless power towers. Okay, so we'll do the prism. The obvious choice.
Insufficient materials.
Do 5 depots. I mean, I got plenty of rocks. Nice, titanium ores. Looks like we're gonna need another turbine, don't we?
Replication complete.
Storage box. I'm gonna need to store some of that. And then we need to
Replication complete.
So these require the copper things. Okay, that requires the little copper nodes. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna do a storage depot for these. At least we can get some of the steel being made. And then what do we need? We need plasma extraction facility, but nothing's being researched. Okay, I need to go back to base then. How are we doing with research? I think it's slowly working. I don't know if it's working efficiently though, but it seems to be working fine. Okay, we'll unlock that, which is going to give us oil extractor, and then oil refinery, and it's going to give us plasma refining. That's going to give us plasma. Alright, I think I'm going to leave it there, guys. I can't do an emo with this guy, but as you can see, my base, and I don't know, it's definitely really interesting. Like comparison, like Satisfactory, you guys probably know like Factory and stuff like that. So yeah, so far I've got to do a lot of work here, but that's it for the video. Thanks guys for watching. Hope to see you on another video if you're interested, or play something else. Either way, see you guys in the next one.